Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore pre-approval workflow with Wells Fargo step by step clearly. To restore the pre-approval workflow with Wells Fargo, start by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Home Mortgage section. Select pre-approval from the available options. Click on Start your pre-approval to initiate the process. You will be prompted to provide personal information, including your full name and social security number. Next, enter details about your financial situation, such as your income and monthly expenses. Be prepared to input information regarding your employment status. Add any assets you may have, like savings accounts or investment portfolios. Next, review your information carefully for accuracy. Once verified, click Submit to send your pre-approval request. After submission, monitor your email for a confirmation message from Wells Fargo. If approved, you will receive a pre-approval letter outlining the loan amount. In case of any issues, contact Wells Fargo customer service for assistance. Follow any additional instructions provided in the confirmation email. Keep a copy of your pre-approval letter for your records. You are now ready to move forward with your home search using your pre-approval status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.